Welcome back to another video, guys. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can install packages in Pycharm. So it's very easy. First of all, obviously you're going to open the Pycharm app. Then before that, you need to know, if you're using an older version, you will see a setting button on the bottom right of your application, and if you're using a new version, you'll see it on the left side. They changed it. I don't know why it was good, but if you're using a new version, you have to go to the Pycharm and then through the preferences. And if you're on an old version, you don't have to worry. You can just click on the settings and then preferences. So we're gonna go to Pycharm, then preferences, and here you need to select the interpreter you're currently using. So I use two interpreter. One is the simple Python 3.8. I have all the interpreters here, but I use the second one for my website project. It has SQL Architecture. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, I'm gonna select the one that I use, that is Python 3.8. Then I'm gonna click on this plus button. Then you're just gonna have you have to search for the package you want. So I'm just gonna search a simple game, and you can see I'm installing any random one. So I don't know what are they used for, but yeah, you have to select it, then click the install packages button, and it will take a while. It depends on the size of your packages, so it will install it for you, and voila, package Game Hero installed successfully. You can just now close the tabs and open your project with the interpreter you have installed it in, and it will work. So yeah, I'm just going to show you that it has been installed. So just to double check, you can see Game Hero version 1.0. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, consider subscribing, and yep, thanks for watching, guys.